Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You will start by preparing the image and opening shortcuts so you can create an icon wrapper. First, confirm your image is in Photos or Files and size square for best results. You can crop later. Next, open Shortcuts and tap the plus to create a new shortcut. Add the action Open App and choose the target app. This step makes a launcher that points to the real app. Once done, you'll replace the home screen icon with this shortcut's custom artwork. Once your shortcut opens the right app, you'll assign the visual. Open the shortcut settings, 3 dots, then add to home screen. Tap the small icon preview and choose Photo or File to pick your custom image. This embeds the artwork into the home screen icon. Name the shortcut exactly as the app to keep your layout clean and avoid confusion. Make sure to place the new icon on your home screen where you want it. This replaces direct use while keeping the original app in the app library. To finish, remove the original app icon from the home screen so only your custom shortcut remains. Use Remove App, then remove from home screen, not uninstall. Make sure the shortcut launches smoothly. If you see a banner that interrupts launch, toggle Show when run off in Shortcut Details for a cleaner switch. If it still misbehaves, test tapping several times and reboot the phone. If problems persist, recreate the shortcut and reselect the image. This often fixes permission or caching issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.